Welcome to Ramadan with MTA, an international Ramadan show for the whole family.
During this program, we will have interesting religious discussions. We will give you delicious recipes to try at home. We will talk about different health aspects, and we will have a unique international flavor.
Best of all, this show is hosted by 4 other countries around the world,
With every Monday and Friday being hosted here in London.
On Tuesdays, We Hear from Germany will be entertaining you.
On Wednesdays, Australia will be presenting on your screen.
and finally, every Thursday you will have the joy of being hosted by Canada.
Join us every weekday during this blessed month of Ramadan for an informative and engaging program for the family of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community.